Hello class, and welcome to EXSS 495, your final course in your exercise science curriculum. Congratulations for making it this far. While most of you have probably done a lot in Moodle, or maybe even taken an online class, I do want to take a few minutes to explain to you how this class will run. The syllabus is here. You can click on it to get due dates and assignment point totals, as well as the objectives for the course. If you did not have me for Exercise Science 490, or if you forgot some of the tidbits about me, this is a short video introduction. The internship forms are listed here. Most of you have already submitted these. However, if you haven't, before you do any hours, you will need to turn in your Memorandum of Understanding, the Internship Learning Contract, and the Internship Code of Ethics. All of those are very important to have submitted before you do any hours at your internship site. If you ever need help in the course related to Moodle, maybe something won't submit or you keep freezing, you can use the ITS Help Desk or the Moodle Student Help. Further, if you're having trouble reading assignments, you might want to download the Adobe Reader so that you can submit some things that you will see here in a minute. On alternating weeks, 2 different assignments will be due. The first week of each 2-week time period will be a discussion post in which you only have to write the discussion. You need not comment on any classmates' discussion posts unless you choose to do so. You will not be graded for doing so. The first one is just an introduction to yourself. That one is due May 13th, as you see here. This is the prompt that you will be answering. And so you will read through the prompt and click on the discussion and create a new discussion post in order to see the discussion text box. The next thing you'll do is a time card. If you click on the time card thing, you'll see that the time card is listed up here as an Excel spreadsheet. You'll need to open that Excel spreadsheet, and each day you work, you're going to, oops, sorry about that. Let me just open the one I already have open over here. Let me close out of everything in Excel. Anyway, you will be asked to enter your hours as listed here. So you can enter 8 hours. Maybe it will let me do it here. You will enter 8 hours maybe for Monday, and maybe only 2 hours, or 8 hours for Monday, and maybe 2 hours for Tuesday, and you'll see it will give you a running total here as well as here. At the end of 2 weeks, these 2 weeks here, which would be May 20th, you would print this out, or if your supervisor has a signature file, they can insert their signature here and then send it back to you. So either you print it and have them sign it, and you can scan it, or take a picture of it and upload it to the assignment tab on Moodle. The assignment tab on Moodle, you will see, is right here. As you'll scroll through, you'll notice you'll have a discussion post, and then you'll have a time card every 2 weeks. So discussion post, time card, discussion post, time card. And this will last you throughout the end of the semester. Additionally, you'll have a few other assignments due. You'll have a midterm supervisor evaluation due at about the halfway point. We'd ask that that be turned in by June 24th. And you could submit that here by taking a picture of it or by scanning it and sending it to the Moodle site. It's easiest if you submit it there rather than turning it into the office or faxing it, because the skeleton crew in the summer may or may not be able to catch all these things. So doing so would ensure that you will get a grade, and we will have the date stamp on it. We will know exactly when you turned it in. The next thing you're going to have to do is submit an updated resume. Most of you submitted a resume in 490, and you should add the internship to your resume, as well as make any other corrections that were suggested or that you think you might need to be made. That will be uploaded to this tab and due by July 8th. If you forgot some of the things about how to write resumes, you can look back through the PowerPoint or the additional resources. Time cards and posts are still also due, even though the resume is due. The last thing you'll have to do at the end of the semester is a reflective essay. There are question prompts on this reflective essay assignment that you'll answer in a couple of pages. There's no set length necessarily, but it might take you a little while to get through all of that. Most students turn in between 2 and 3 pages for that assignment. Lastly, at the very, very end of the semester, you'll be submitting your final supervisor evaluation, your own evaluation, and the log of hours. Again, you can snap a picture of it and upload those files, or you can scan them and submit them here on Moodle. There are some scanning apps that you can download too. If you just Google those or look on the App Store, you should be able to find something that might make this semester a little bit easier. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm available all the time via email or via text. Just make sure you identify who you are if you are texting. Further, if you need any help or you want to set up an appointment, feel free to give me a call or send me an email and we can arrange a meeting on campus one day. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. This is a very new way of doing this semester, so please let me know if you run into any issues with uploading things or anything else that might be troublesome on Moodle. I hope you have a great semester, and I hope you picked an awesome internship site that's going to teach you everything you need to know for your future. Have a great day, and we will be in touch.